Track 61. What do people want? Josh.
I want a new mobile phone for my birthday. My phone is very old. I want some money to go shopping too. My mum buys my clothes, but I don't like them. They're for old people.
Bettina.
I have a good job. I love my husband. We have a big house and a nice car. We go on holiday to nice places. It's all great. But we don't have children, and now we want a family.
Mathieu.
I only work for 2 days a week, 15 or 20 hours. I don't have a lot of money, but I don't want a lot of things. Money's not important to me. I have food. I only drink water. I have friends. I have some books to read. I have a lot of free time.
Angelo.
I'm a teacher. I live in this city, but I work in a village. I go by car and it takes me 2 hours. At the end of the day, I'm very tired. I want a job in the city. I want to walk to work and have more free time. But it's difficult.